Hey friends! Today we are looking at top-rated car battery testers designed to quickly diagnose your vehicle's power system health. In this video, we're taking a look at the best car battery testers in 2026, known for their real quality and performance. I've put this list together based on my personal opinion and hours of research, considering popularity, quality, price, durability, user feedback, and more. If you want more details and the latest prices, check out the description below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more honest tech reviews. Let's dive right in. Starting with our first, the LiFePO4 Lithium Golf Cart Battery. This high-performance, long-lasting 48V105 LiFePO4 solution is built with top-grade prismatic cells, delivering a compact 5.37 kWh energy output and an impressive 10.24 kW power, about 50 stronger than similarly sized alternatives. With a continuous discharge of 200A and peaks of up to 600A for 3 seconds, it provides exceptional acceleration and stable performance across steep terrains. Designed to seamlessly replace traditional lead-acid units, it offers up to 50 miles of range per charge, drastically minimizing downtime and range anxiety. The built-in 200A BMS provides comprehensive overcharge, over-discharge, short-circuit, and temperature protection. Everything is housed in a robust, fireproof, shockproof, and IP67 waterproof casing for ultimate durability. It comes equipped with a 58.4V 20A fast charger and a 2.8-inch LCD touchscreen allowing real-time monitoring and control. Furthermore, its lightweight design makes installation incredibly simple, while a mobile app enables remote data tracking. Next up, our second product, the Ancel Car Battery Tester with Cloud Printing. This versatile and professional-grade diagnostic tool is fully compatible with 6V, 12V, and 24V systems, easily handling lead-acid, AGM, GL, EFB, and lithium types. Ideal for cars, motorcycles, trucks, boats, and even small household devices, it provides incredibly precise diagnostics for both seasoned mechanics and DIY enthusiasts. Utilizing advanced conductance technology alongside a high-precision chip, it delivers remarkably fast results with 99.8% reliability. It accurately measures state of health, state of charge, voltage, internal resistance, and cold cranking amps without breaking a sweat. Specialized modes for smaller motorcycle setups enhance overall versatility, while extreme weather testing guarantees dependable performance in both freezing and scorching conditions. An intuitive 3.2-inch HD display, ergonomic grip, and clear menu system make operation highly comfortable, even in cramped engine bays. Safety features like wide-mouth clamps and overload protection combine with innovative QR code cloud printing to streamline your maintenance record seamlessly. Coming in at number 3, the Ancel Car Battery Tester. This reliable and precise 12V diagnostic tool is completely essential for maintaining optimal vehicle health. It performs lightning-fast assessments on overall condition, standing voltage, and charge status, while also thoroughly testing your cranking and charging systems to ensure your ride runs smoothly. Equipped with advanced crocodile clips, premium copper wiring, and an intelligent microprocessor, it delivers highly accurate readings with 99.6% precision, making garage assessments exceptionally dependable. Designed strictly for convenience, it features a large, adjustable LCD with a crisp white backlight and an intuitive interface that easily accommodates one-handed operation. Excellent multilanguage support ensures broad usability, while the proprietary 4-in-1 Safety Shield Pro actively safeguards against polarity reversal, short circuits, and overvoltage. Reinforced with a durable triple-layer ABS casing, it easily meets global testing standards, allowing both professionals and DIYers to maintain cars, trucks, boats, and RVs with total confidence. Now, let's talk about our fourth, the Topdon Car Battery Tester. This highly reliable 12V diagnostic unit is an absolute favorite for both automotive enthusiasts and industry professionals. It provides phenomenally fast, accurate insights into overall health, starter motor performance, and vehicle charging systems for both 12V and 24V setups. Seamlessly compatible with flooded, AGM, GEL, EFB, and high CCA options, it works flawlessly across cars, motorcycles, trucks, RVs, and boats. Outfitted with advanced conductive testing technology, it delivers incredibly detailed results in just 3 seconds with an impressive 99.5% accuracy, pinpointing the exact root cause of any electrical failure. The user-friendly 2.4-inch color display ensures crystal-clear readability in harsh sunlight, while intuitively placed buttons simplify menu navigation. A standout feature is the built-in thermal printer, providing instant, hassle-free physical test reports using standard thermal paper. Featuring spark-free clamps, a generous 31.5-inch PVC-coated cable, and reverse polarity protection, it guarantees incredibly safe and convenient operation. And last but certainly not least, our final pick, the Ancel lithium battery for golf cart. This 48V LiFePO4 power source delivers genuinely unmatched reliability and longevity for small electric vehicles and utility carts. Featuring 16 A-grade cells, it offers a maximum output of 10.24 kilowatts, which is roughly 50 higher than many competing models, while providing a massive 5.37 kilowatt-hour capacity that yields up to 50 miles of driving range. Its integrated 200A BMS ensures highly safe operation on steep hills and rough terrain, featuring advanced protections against overcharging, overdischarging, short circuits, and extreme weather shifts. Boasting over 6,000 charge cycles, this unit realistically lasts 10 times longer than traditional lead-acid options while being significantly lighter to actively boost cart speed and simplify the installation process. The package generously includes a 58.4V 18A rapid charger that fully replenishes power in under 6 hours. Furthermore, Bluetooth app integration allows owners to conveniently monitor real-time voltage and cell status directly from their smartphones. Thanks for watching Auto Garage. We hope this video helped you find the perfect automotive gear and accessories for your ride. If you found it useful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to support the channel. Got any questions about the products or need help choosing the right one? Drop them in the comments below, we're always here to help. Stay tuned for more top automotive picks, honest reviews, and the latest car gadgets, right here on Auto Garage. See you in the next one.